Look no further than the 2017 Nissan Rogue Sports. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, remote engine start, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.